In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a roadmap timeline using Canva, a simple yet powerful tool that makes graphic design accessible to everyone. Whether you're crafting your personal or professional strategies, creating a visual roadmap can help you stay on track and communicate your goals effectively. So let's dive in and explore how to do this step by step. First, go ahead and log into your Canva account. If you haven't created an account yet, now's the perfect time to consider signing up. Once you're on the Canva dashboard, move over to the search bar at the top. Here, you're going to type in roadmap. This will pull up a variety of template options that best fit what we're about to create. With an array of designs to choose from, you'll have your own unique style ready in no time. Now that you've typed in roadmap, let's browse through the selection. Take your time to scroll through and look at the different templates available. Canva really offers a diverse range of designs, from professional to playful aesthetics, ensuring there's something for everyone. Once you find a template that resonates with your style or fits the context of your project, click on it to select it. With your chosen template on the screen, you're going to see the option Customize this template. Give that a click. This is the point where Canva really shines, offering you the flexibility to adapt and modify the design according to your vision. The customization process is not just about changing words, it allows you to modify colors, adjust fonts, and even include your own images or icons, making the design truly yours. Now let's bring your roadmap to life by editing the text. Double-click on any text box in the template and replace the placeholder text with your own content. Think about what stages or milestones you want to include in your timeline. As you edit, you'll see that Canva offers a range of fonts and text effects. Play around with these to find a style that matches your theme. Remember, readability is key, so make sure your text is clear and contrasts well with the background. As you wrap up your editing, take a moment to preview your work. Look for any changes that might enhance the design further. Perhaps adding an icon or refining color schemes could add that extra touch of polish. Canva's user-friendly interface makes it easy to make these tweaks seamlessly. Once you're happy with the result, it's time to download your roadmap timeline. Simply hit the download button, select your preferred file type, and save it directly to your device. You now have a professionally designed roadmap timeline ready to share or print. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've created a roadmap that is both functional and visually appealing using Canva. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your next project. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or further tips on using Canva. Until next time, happy designing.